I have here my studio and you can come and just watch and see. And I'm like,
This time she knew. That's it. That's it in your mind.
no. But it was like, what, producer? We talked about our experience in Jamaica with the Jamaican men because it was like crazy. I've never felt something like that before.
They thought that we're crazy.
Yeah,
and again,
like,
we're living
what
in
happened
Israel.
to you?
They were. It was a very big scene there. This is how we got into music in Jamaica.
It's not a hero story, yeah? We are the Yaman girls, if you don't know.
Yeah, we came to Jamaica in order to make music, to make vlog, and to spread our love, and to take you with us to our journey. And our story with Jamaica started a long time ago, actually 3.5 years ago, almost. Yeah, that this was the first time we landed in Jamaica and we got to know Jamaica. This was the first time. And we started there our journey, with Jamaica, and we didn't know that it will reach till now and it will be like, is it now?
Love story,
Yes.
Long-term term relationship.
We didn't know that we were going to fall in love like that. In the beginning, it was very scary.
Yeah, in the beginning it was really scary, but we landed and we started to know the people and it started to blend. Things got more and more familiar, and then
we started to love the culture.
Yeah.
Love.
It's not only love the culture, it's to connect the people, and it was like a land with a lot of opportunity. Like, people talk about America, that I don't believe in, but it's like, that's what I felt. I felt that everything is open, we can talk with everyone with the legs on the earth, we say in Hebrew, like down to earth. Yeah. People, and they are not really.
In the beginning, we knew, like, people told us different things, like, we read it's dangerous and gangs and whatever, and then we reached to Jamaica and we saw different. Like, first week was scary, but then we saw different.
You have all the dark side of Jamaica and the people, the gangsters and stuff in clubs.
We're not going there.
But yeah, you understand the rules, and then as a foreigner, we know that it's not about us or toward us, so you can avoid it in a certain ways. Although we really love to blend with the street people. But yes. We did travel all around Jamaica, and we make also a video about that, so if you want, you can watch it. It's really interesting. But then we came to Portland, and in Portland we booked an Airbnb in a place, like in Port Antonio it was, and then we just
chilled, we just traveled. It wasn't like a mind of.
Yeah, we were in the Blue Lagoon and all those areas, and a lot of waterfalls, and Boston Beach and Winford Beach and all this area, and we loved the place, and we stuck there like long time. And then I talked with the owner of the Airbnb like every night. It was every night we came.
They became besties.
Yeah, it was funny because every night we came to the Airbnb, and
you don't have what to do in the night in Port Antonio. Not really. We didn't have much, so we stayed at the Airbnb in the nights and only in the day we traveled. And this guy was pop up only in the nights.
Yeah, and I like to talk actually, and we spoke, and every time we needed toilet paper and stuff like that, we asked from him. So we had this connection, and we started to talk about his life. Like, it was, I think that it was the first time that I talked with a real Jamaican serious conversation about life, about the perspective, about everything, and it was really interesting. And I told him about myself, about Israel, about how I live my life and my perspective of life and all of this. And then after I think 3 nights, he told me, I'm a producer, and I'm like, what? And he said, yeah, I'm working with big artists in Jamaica, and I didn't know a lot about the music in Jamaica. And I felt like, I'm a little child a bit, because I just discovered the world this time. So he told me, I have here my studio and you can come and just watch and see. And I'm like,
this time she knew. That's it. That's it in your mind.
No. But it was like, what, producer? And then I thought, I knew that Ayelet wanted to be a singer since I know her.
But I didn't admit it.
And since she know herself. And she didn't admit it because here in Israel, people are saying that it's difficult to make money from music, and all this bullshit story that
not Israel, in our house.
In our house, not a story that people like, doesn't matter. So then I told her that you have to come. He said that he's producer and he has here a studio, and then we entered. you have to come to see. So maybe tell us what did you felt?
This moment, I felt in a dream. I've never been in a studio before. And it's something like in Israel that a lot of girls, when they're 12, they have bat mitzvah. And that's what they do. They're going to record a song, like a stupid song with weird lyrics that they write, but very weird. Like, it's like they're taking a real song and just like writing different lyrics on it. I didn't do that. So I've never been in a studio before. And then when I reached the studio, I was like, wow. Like,
amazing.
Small studio, yeah, you don't have anything there. But I was like, wow. Like, you have to record me. Like, I want to. And I told him that I want cover.
She told him, you will make me a cover. And then he looked at her and he's like, I don't do covers, And she's like, no, you will make me a cover. And he looked at her and he knew that I'm writing. I'm a writer, so he knew that because we talked a lot of our lives before. I told him, you have to make me Beyonce cover, like a song of Beyonce.
I really want it.
And then he's like, no, but I can do this. If Baal will write a song, you can sing it and we will record it. And I said to him, really? And I told him, what do you think? Do you challenge me now? And then he said, yes. And I'm like, okay, I will do that. And then we went to the
day after.
beach. Yeah.
And we started to think, okay, how it will be. And we started to search for rhythms, and we did it. We just, in one day, we worked really hard on the beach.
Yeah, it was funny because we talked about our experience in Jamaica with the Jamaican men because it was like crazy. I've never felt something like that before. Like, we are getting a lot of attention in Israel. I will not lie about that, but in Jamaica it's different level.
You
like,
don't even understand.
People with a and people like 13 years old that start to speak with me, and it doesn't matter that I'm saying my age. It doesn't matter. Yeah. They don't like
care.
I don't really.
You can still be
my
wife.
It's not like that. I was really surprised about that. Yeah. So we wrote a song and it was a bit
like funny song like,
and cynical a bit.
Yeah, very.
And then I was really like feel ashamed like to show it
to people because it was like
it wasn't to people to the producer. Yeah. Like we came back and then he told me, no, you write a song, and I'm like yes, but I don't know what you will think about it. I don't think that you will want to be connected with that because it's like we're a bit laughing about Jamaican men. Wow. So he told me, I want you to sing it, you and the Yelet. And I'm like, I'm not a singer, I'm not going to sing, and then I want to hear you. And then it's like, when someone asks you to sing, it's like he asks you to be naked now. Yeah. Right?
It's difficult. Yeah. It's like sing. Yalla, sing.
Think about it.
Do it.
It's like it's to be connected now and to be bare and to put yourself there, and it's intimate. And when he did it, I felt that
you cannot.
Yeah, that I'm afraid now to do that. And then I told me, yalla, let's
I don't know what happened to me. Yeah, I just.
She said, yalla, let's do that.
Usually I'm not like that.
And we just sat on the bed. It was like in our room. We sat there and he looked at us and we just sang the song. And he told me, wow, I like it. I like these words. It's funny. I like it. And I'm like, really?
And then we recorded it.
Left our lives in Israel and ran away to Jamaica, the land of freedom music and also ganja. Turned out to be something completely different. There is no need to make an effort, cause men waiting for an exit ticket. It's important to know the right man, the smart one, the caring. We know they exist here in Jamaica. We met them already in Portland, in Negril. We hope every man behave like them.
I was so surprised that he liked it and he wanted to he wanted the connection between him and the song. Like, what? It was really funny. And at the same time, I didn't really took it seriously, Because he told me, you have a groove, you have a good ear, you can do that, like if you like it, you have a good ear. Like in the same time, I didn't really record anything because I was ashamed with my voice, and it was like
Scary.
yeah, it was really scary for me. I didn't think about maybe write songs. It's okay, but because I know I love my writing and I love to express myself, but to sing now, I'm not a singer. And I thought also in my head that you have the people that they have good and beautiful voice, and the people that don't. But I didn't understand that it's practice and to be on the note and to it's like practice. You can learn it. Your sound, it's unique, and it's
no one will
have the same sound of yours. And if you know what is suits to you and how you need to learn how to sing, what is good for you, how you will get into the light that you need to. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it. It's to understand what is flattering to you.
To your voice,
it's like
what
clothes. It's like everything, like clothes, for example. Not every clothes, even if I have amazing body, not every clothes will be suits to me because I have long neck, or I have, I don't know, doesn't
big
matter.
Ass.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. But I need to suit my clothes in order that it
to
will
flatter her.
Yeah, my body. So it's the same with voice. It's the same with a lot of things that I need to understand and learn dancing. Yeah, and to learn what is good for me and how I will be in a good light.
But then it opened a door for us, let's say, about that, because he started
to make
an
idea.
Yeah, to make us think about it, because for me, it was like a dream and never been something that can really come true. I never knew how to do it and never thought about actually doing that thing. And he said to us like that it can be event, because I've never thought like about that life, like okay, you can really be a singer, that's what you can do, you can sing and
she
make
thought
songs,
it's a dream and that's it.
Yeah, I've never really had it as like a life. Okay, I need to go and be, I don't know, study math and be in an office and all these things.
And you can do that without even the concert now, like just to create music in your house and then to publish it, and then if you advertise it, people will listen. Like you just need to start the way, but you didn't really think about that as
but then after what he said to us, because he told us like, if you stay here for 1 year, I will be a millionaire. You can work hard, it's good, it sounds good, it's different, it's unique.
And when he said that, he planned something, but at the moment
we didn't understand.
It's not even understand. We didn't really believe. It's like a bit believing, but most of the things was no, we cannot really do that. We cannot really do that.
Yeah, we had a very big no. And then we continue with our trip after we had this song. And I met my boyfriend that is Jamaican, and our connection to Jamaica became deeper and deeper because of the people we met, and also we stayed with him for like 4 months. And we got back to Israel, and we knew that us and Jamaica, it's not something that's going to finish soon. And we continue like to be in relationships and to speak with people from Jamaica. And like we've been in Jamaica for 5 months, and our heart was like there. And after I think 1 year maybe after we left Jamaica, Bar came to me and she was like, Ayelet, why we're not doing that? Like we tried a lot of stuff and we thought we want to build something together, but we didn't know what and how. And then she told me, why we're not going to Jamaica and trying to work on music?
Because you really want to do that. I really want to work on music, and I like to create stuff. Like I love it. I create a lot of stuff in my life, so why not this? Like I can do that. I love music.
And then I was like, seriously? And it was very difficult, like, to do that and to tell to our family again that we're going to Jamaica. They thought that we're crazy.
Yeah,
and again,
like,
we're living
what
in
happened
Israel.
to you?
It was a very big scene there, and we were like, no, I couldn't do that without her because she's bigger than me, and I couldn't be like alone and be like, yeah, I'm going to Jamaica and I'm going to kids by myself, alone, and that's it. Bye. I couldn't. And she was like, hey, don't worry, it will be good. We'll find out. We'll work. We'll find people. It wasn't easy as it seems to be, but
It
but
wasn't
it's
seems
both.
easy actually, but I know how it works. Like things in life, you just need to
Start
do the
and to do.
the first step,
Yeah,
and
things will come to
then
you.
all the time invent yourself, like create more things.
And that's what we're doing now. So she told me, Yala, let's book the flight. And we booked the flight and we flew. Three of us, me and Chanel. And we started like, you know, all our process that you're with us, like regards to that and all the difficulties and all the struggle and like to do it by yourself and all these. But I feel like it's every day we're trying to push more into music, into our vlog and everything, like what we want to build and like the community, because we want like the songs and the community like to spread love, to be good people,
Yeah.
you know, like trying
The people will connect to the songs. It will make them happy or emotional maybe,
and connect to us.
to deliver love. Yeah,
Because we really love to hear the stories and people sharing with us amazing
a
stuff.
lot of
And
stories.
we feel like it's really nice that you have this opportunity to speak to people around the world that you don't know and to try to spread love, like beyond all the stuff that's happening in everyday lives, you know, just
Yeah.
like to connect heart to
Yeah.
heart, and
That's
music
it.
is amazing platform and
yeah.
way it's more way to do that, you know. Music is
You know,
unite everyone.
Yes, so true. Because one song, a lot of people can connect to, and that's what we want actually. to
And
do.
it can deliver good.
Yes.
So thank you very much for watching and to be with us and to spread love,
And
you know.
affection.
And if you like this video, like and subscribe because it really helps
Yes.
the algorithm. And thank you very much.
Thank you.